Welcome to my channel. Remanufactured versus new transmission. What's the difference? Step 1. Know what a new transmission means. A new transmission is built from scratch using all new parts directly from the factory. But it's also the most expensive option, usually thousands more than other choices. Step 2. Understand what remanufactured really means. A remanufactured transmission is completely torn down, inspected, cleaned, and rebuilt using new internal parts where needed. Think of it like a full rebuild done to factory specifications. Step 3. Compare the cost difference. A new transmission can easily run $4,000 to $6,000 or more, depending on the car. A remanufactured one can run from $2,000 to $3,000. Step 4. Look at the warranty terms. New transmissions usually come with a factory warranty, sometimes 3 to 5 years. Remanufactured ones come with warranties too but shorter. Always read the fine print. Step 5. Think about compatibility and fit. Remanufactured transmissions are made to match your vehicle exactly. They're built from original factory units, so they fit perfectly. A new one might require dealer installation. Step 6. Check the source or builder reputation. Not all remanufacturers are equal. Some replace everything and some cut corners. Always ask who rebuilt it and what's been replaced inside. Good rebuilders are transparent. Step 7. Ask about core returns. With remanufactured transmissions, there's usually a core charge. That means returning your old transmission after installing the new one. It's standard practice and helps lower the cost. Step 8. Compare availability and wait time. A brand new transmission might take weeks to arrive, especially for older cars. Remanufactured ones are often ready to ship immediately. If time matters, that's a big difference. Step 9. Consider long-term value. For most vehicles, especially older ones, a remanufactured transmission makes more sense. It restores performance and reliability without spending more than the car's worth. Step 10. Make the call based on budget and usage. At the end of the day, it depends on how long the car's staying around. For daily drivers and older vehicles, remanufactured is the smart choice. For luxury or high-performance cars, new might be worth it. Thanks for watching.